What then?
Nothing.
Everybody is interested in something.
Not me. When I see what desire does to people, what it's done to this country, I am very glad to have no part in it. Besides, the absence of desire leaves one free to pursue other things.
Such as?
They're like, yeah, I'm doing the dream gazing, and I'm gazing, and I'm getting really stoked, and I'm like, that's not it, dude. You can't get stoked about it, because then it's not a feeling all day. That charge is up and down. That's unhealthy. It's so bad to impress seeds into your unconscious that way, because you have more to fulfill that way. You want to do it. It sounds crazy, but in the most casual, you already have it way. And here's the weird part. You believing you already got it and it's yours and you don't need it anymore, it magnetizes it to you, whatever it is. Have you noticed every time you say, I want that girl, I want that but when you let go of the thought, she comes around? Have you ever experienced that? Have you experienced that with friends, with business, with... When you look back in your history in life, you've had that experience with everything. And you're like, wow, why was I magnetic when I just let go of wanting it? But you want it, so you can't let go. John, I can't let go. I'm not telling you to let go. I'm telling you, you already have it. So let go. And then you think about it in your head, and you feel you have it, you let go, and that's it. Now it's coming to you. And you're like, wow, now I don't really want it as much. But you still want it. You cannot have your dreams come true if they're not emotionally charged thoughts. Do you get it? And if you don't understand what an emotionally charged thought is, if your thought isn't emotionally charged, you don't actually want it. That's a scary place, because now what the f do you want? And when you realize, man, it took me like weeks and weeks to realize there's a lot of shit I don't want. I used to think, oh, I need to be here, I'm not even in a rush. And I'll never be in a rush again. I already have everything. I will never say I need again. I'm taking that poison out of my mouth, man. No matter if you're broke, medium, rich, whatever, you don't need anything you're thinking about. You already have everything. Now work on it. Work on whatever you're working on without the need. That need is in every culture, bro. That need ruins people when they have billions. That need makes people like Connor, who manifests at a rapid pace. He becomes a f***ing crackhead. Like, anyone else seen him tweak? I was like, you guys sent me some videos. I'm like, what the f***? That's the same guy? He like forgot how to do it.
Took very little energy to finish that fight. Tell me how you saw that opening and what you landed.
I just wanted to enjoy it, you know. A lot of people force their shots, and I honestly believe power is an illusion. It's the perception of power is like if it's tense and squeezed, but to me that can be seen a mile away. So I just like to place and just let it go.